Kamusta yo fam? I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, we're going to make a DIY Nemetrix. Let's go! To make this very quick and easy Ben 10 craft, you will need this free template. Cut out the pieces and glue them onto a thin piece of cardboard. I'm using an illustration board, but you can utilize any material you want. Then, cut out the pieces from the cardboard. Fold these parts of the main piece. After that, glue them together like so. Before assembling these pieces together, let's paint them first with the following colors to resemble the Nemetrix. If you want yours to be different, you can definitely color the pieces however you want. I, for instance, made another Nemetrix with different colors, which I'll show you guys later. After the paint dries, glue these pieces accordingly. Finally, I used two pieces of magnets and attached one at the back of the Nemetrix. This will enable us to attach the Nemetrix on our shirt. So that was a really quick tutorial for the Ben 10 Nemetrix. I hope you guys like this, and I also made another smaller Omnitrix which has the Ben 23 colors, the gold and blue. Before we end this video, shout out to all these amazing creatives for sharing with us their DIYs. You guys are awesome, and just to let you know, you guys make me proud, so stay creative. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye.